Prateek Smita Patil and Priya Banerjee's wedding was a beautiful, intimate celebration held on Valentine's Day. However, the event didn't come without some controversy. In an exclusive interview with Zoom, Prateek shared why he chose to keep his wedding a private affair. Though Prateek and Priya's wedding was filled with love and warmth, the decision to keep it private raised several questions. Prateek said,
We wanted, I don't know, somewhere we thought that the whole moment will get lost in just the questions and the कब और कहाँ और किसको बुलाया और किसको और क्यों नहीं और we just thought हमें बहुत private रखना है we didn't want to owe anybody an explanation. We didn't want to be
written about.
No, not written about is fine. We didn't care about being written about. It's just about the whole the overwhelming feeling of everybody knowing and asking questions and giving inputs and acha ye nahi kar rahe ho, acha ye karo, acha wo. We just kind of just wanted it to be our thing rather than everybody else's thing. You know, also too many cooks spoil the broth. वो आ ही जाते opinion. सबके आ ही जाते कि ये भी करो, उसको भी बुलाओ. Priya was extremely particular and sure that, listen, we don't want a single, both of us, Priya and I, were very particular.
Honestly, we didn't want to feel overwhelmed by constant questioning or criticism. Too many cooks spoil the broth, you know. We just wanted it to be about us and those who truly belong there, Prateek added. One of the most talked about aspects of the wedding was the absence of Prateek's father, Raj Babbar, and his half-brother, Arya Babbar.
That wasn't the reason.
Okay.
That was not the reason. It was misinterpreted by. I was open to doing something with my father and his family for another function. I just thought it was unethical to have him and his family at that house after everything that went.
It wasn't about a personal rift or any kind of estrangement. It was misinterpreted. It wasn't intentional. It just happened, he clarified. The wedding took place at Prateek's mother's house, a place that held deep personal significance for him. Prateek said,
I got married in my mother's house. We got married in my mother's house.
Which was beautiful.
Yes, it was
Saw the pictures.
a private, intimate ceremony at my mother's house. You know, my father's wife and my mother have had some complications in the past, and lots of things have been said in the press and stuff like that. If you dig out 40 years ago. I just thought it was unethical to have him and his family at that house after everything that went on between them.
Very honest of you to say that.
Absolutely.
He went on to explain the past complications between his mother and his father's wife, which were widely discussed in the media years ago.
Some complications in the past, and lots of things have been said in the press and stuff like that. If you dig out 40 years ago.
It was tumultuous.
Yes, and I just felt it was.
Although the situation was difficult, Prateek expressed regret that his father and his family couldn't be a part of his wedding day. I'm sorry they couldn't be there, but this was the best decision for me and Priya. That house, it was where I grew up with my mother as a single parent. It's a place of memories and it wasn't the right time or place for them to be involved, he said. Despite the tough decision, Prateek is confident that it was the right one for their special day. Some decisions are made with a clear heart, but people react impulsively, and sometimes that leaves a bitter taste. But for me, I'm still the same person. I wanted to make this day about us, and that's exactly what we did, Prateek concluded. Prateek Smita Patil's wedding may have been a small, intimate affair, but it was a day full of love, thoughtful decisions, and a commitment to what felt right for him and his wife.